The benefits from my point of view is definitely the networking between different companies.
One of the most valuable things that I've got from this experience is the people that come up with great questions about how they're using the software. And I've learned a lot about other applications we could actually benefit from.
We're different industries, but we all hear the same questions, same concerns. To share the solutions, I think, has been the best experience here.
There's some tremendous success stories out there. So being able to share some of our concerns with other customers and get their feedback has been so valuable.
We're always using DELMIA products for digital manufacturing. What's really nice is that the breakout sessions will go more in depth.
I can take those ideas that I gather that I might not have thought and bring those back to my own organizations, and is a big benefit of coming to the conference.
The connections that I made here, the people that I got to know from the different industries, is fantastic. It's definitely a great place to come.